Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse of Toronto, Canada, back from my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. How do an older adult properly sit is what I was asked. Body mechanics is very important for the older adults and us as caregivers because this help prevent injuries. So this will also ensure that you are exercising your muscles as you ought. And when you do this, you're making them stronger. They say sitting is the new smoking because it predisposes an older adult in developing things like constipation, um, clot formation, having swollen legs, and such things. So make sure you're trying your best to promote optimal mobility for yourself and for the older adults. It's very important to help prevent the development of pressure ulcers. So that's why with the bony prominences, you want to make sure that they are padded and that they are able to turn or change position at least every 2 hours so that they won't develop any pressure ulcers. The early signs of the pressure ulcer is redness, especially in the bony prominences. So those are things to watch out for. You can also prevent that from happening if the older adult is well nourished, well hydrated, and again, you are promoting optimal mobility. If you are doing all these things, it's more than just the proper positioning when sitting or wherever they are. When you do these things, you are also contributing to their mental health, which in turn would be helpful in their mood. And going back to the triple Ds, you can see how these things may sound simple but could help prevent major things like the triple Ds, delirium, depression, dementia. Sitting is what they say the new smoking is. So make sure that you don't sit around in the house too much. Try to move your muscles because you know what they say, if you don't use them, you lose them. And that couldn't be more true than for the older adults. So make sure you do your daily exercises, you receive your daily protein intake so that you can build those muscles, because when you do these things, it can help you prevent falls, and also it can help you when you're sitting and standing up from the chair. Okay, and so those muscles, if they are exercised well, they are fed well, then they can support you more when you are sitting and standing. Also, make sure to involve your other allied health when you are inquiring for proper positioning, exercises, body mechanics, and things like this. So, namely your physiotherapist and your occupational therapists. That's it for this week. Hope all is well. See you again next time.